This really is an exciting time for GE. We're returning cash to investors, growing our earnings every year, changing the mix of our earnings, changing the portfolio, and really positioning GE for a new generation of growth and profitability and shareholder returns. Last year, we did 3 strategic moves: the Alstom acquisition, the Synchrony spin, selling the appliance business, really all along the lines of both accelerating and really driving forward the change in the portfolio to being much more industrial, a smaller GE Capital, and really by 2016, establishing 75% of our earnings coming from the industrial businesses. Enterprise capabilities is the GE store, because each business makes a contribution to the store, and all the businesses can take away from the store. Oil and gas adds localization in places like Africa, that then the transportation business can capitalize on that localization to improve their business in the future. Healthcare adds imaging to the GE store, and then the oil and gas business can take imaging from the GE store into pipeline inspection and technologies like that. I always talk about GE as a company that innovates at scale. Last year just was the culmination of a lot of key technologies that are really game changers for the company going forward. The H turbine is the most efficient, largest gas turbine in the world. The LEAP jet engine is a narrow-body jet engine that has almost 80% market share. The Tier 4 locomotive is launched 2 years ahead of competition. Our products today are a combination of physics and analytics, what we call the industrial internet. We've made big investments to capture these analytics and turn them into meaningful output for our customers. This is going to help the company grow faster. It's going to make us even closer to our customers, and we think position us well for the future. We've really tried to change the culture, change the way we interact with each other, change the way we think about accountability and things like that, and we call it the culture of simplification. And it's really about lean management, less is more, do fewer things better, more focus, putting everything on the clock from a standpoint of speed matters, reorienting the whole company towards winning in the marketplace, and really digitizing GE to make it faster and smarter as time goes on. If you think about the company in 2014, 2015, even 2016, you're just going to see all the elements of the strategy come into focus and come into place, and a company that's growing EPS, returning cash to shareholders, changing the mix of the portfolio, and executing well. Over the next 2 years, investors are going to get $40 billion of cash back out of the company. We think this is a great time to be a GE investor.